Good morning guys, today is Monday and the whole night it's been raining and raining, and it looks like you can see, you can't even see it far because it's all like misty rain and everything, all the garden is soaking wet. So when the dogs are going outside, there is a lot of mud coming inside. So I closed the cage and they're both here sitting on the mat, and Coco is enjoying opening a cardboard box. He loves doing that when the boxes are empty. And Milo is trying to get inside, but he must stay there because his paws are all full of sand and wet. So when they dry, I brush them off. I've got this brush from Lisa. It's a very nice brush. And then I'll brush them and take them inside. But because they have to go to number 1 and number 2 first, I'll leave them here so they can go inside and outside. We had so much rain this last weeks, and hopefully February summer start and it would be finished, and that's the time I will be in London with the cold weather. So yeah, I'll be so happy to see my daughter. Today I'm gonna work on the Christmas tree because I still haven't finished the Christmas tree.
Instead of what you don't. Carol Ofori.
So I'm gonna work on that today. It's quite a big job, but it's going to take me about 2 hours to decorate the Christmas tree. But I'm going to do that today and then watch a nice movie after that, because it's a weather to watch movies and to eat nice warm food, to not be cold, because one day it's so hot and the next day it's so cold, and that's like a lot of people get sick. So yeah, that will be all for today guys. Hope you enjoy your day and thank you for watching. Bye. Make the best of every new day, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.